Every day, many people waste their precious time waiting long lines at supermarkets. This usually happens because of the poor management of schedule of checkout lines. Let's see what people think about this issue.
Up wasting a lot of time in the supermarket. I wish there would be more checkout lines working. I don't understand. Look at here. There are about 8 or 10 checkout lines. Why did they build so many checkout lines if they used only half of them?
Sadly, congestions at checkout lines happen in many supermarkets. The purpose of our project is to develop a program that counts the visitors of a supermarket and plots the attendance graph. This data then can be used to create efficient schedule for checkout lines. Firstly, let's get familiar with the algorithm of our program. So as you can see, there are three windows. The first window shows the original video after background subtraction. Second video shows the contrast of moving objects after reducing noise. Now in the last video, we can observe how the program counts people. As can be seen, it draws a rectangle around contour of moving object and finds its center. When the center passes through the virtual line, the program counts people according to the size of rectangle. And here we see that the program counted 3 people at once because their area corresponds to the size of 3 people. All the data of the counter are stored in a TXT file for further use. Now let's move on to the demonstration of our program. This is a TXT file where the statistics will be stored. Now let's run our program. Here we have two videos side by side. On the left, the program counts number of living people, and on the right, it counts number of entering people. We consider several cases, so the first one is just one man. Now a group of people passing, and the program counts them correctly. Then the program also counts running person. And also on the left, we have the number of living people, and the program counts them simultaneously. And the video ends here. Now let's go back to our TXT file. As you can see, the statistics were stored successfully. Now using data, this data we plot an attendance graph. As you can see, on the x-axis we have time, and on the y-axis we have number of people at the supermarket. This is the final result of our program. We believe that using this type of attendance graphs, the supermarket managers will be able to create efficient schedule for checkout lines. This will in turn reduce congestions and thus improve customer satisfaction.